Can you see me?
Can you see my...
Okay, fine. We're good. I'm done.
Where are your heels, bro?
Yeah. This is so bad.
Gorgeous.
Dude, wait, I need the heels.
Do not break your ankle.
How do you... Ow! Ow! Oh my god, how do you guys walk in these? Bruh.
No Sasquatch could wear heels.
This is
He's
disturbing.
Sasquatch.
Dude, if this isn't the most viewed video in that sound.
Hi.
Can you see my wiener? You can't see my wiener, right?
You got this approved. You said there was nothing inappropriate happening.
So Tyler's out shooting for the day, and we didn't really know what to do.
So we're getting Tyler back. For a while ago, him and Christina decided to saran wrap all of my stuff on my desk and put, shut up.
Are you proud of yourself? You seem very pleased with yourself.
Anyways, we're getting Tyler back for that. So they saran wrapped all my stuff, put a bunch of miniature giraffes in all of my stuff, all over the warehouse, in my car, somehow. So Tyler gave us some very rich content to use for our prank. Let's do it.
The plan was simple. With a little creative ingenuity and maniacal use of Photoshop, we were able to create around 200 copies of our masterpiece. It was around 11 o'clock and Tyler wouldn't be done shooting until about 4. So we handed out copies to everyone and told them to put the pictures everywhere.
Did you put them up on the ceiling?
Yeah, you can't reach them.
Every office, every bathroom, every doorway in the warehouse, there wasn't an inch left untouched by our Frankenstein-like creation. Then we found out that Tyler left his keys to his brand new Mercedes, so of course, like the good-natured human beings we are, we only put around 100 of them in his car.
We gotta get one on the start button.
Question though, so every time he turns his car on, does that mean that he's touching himself?
No, he's turning himself on.
Plus, Scotch tape doesn't stick to leather seats, so we had to get creative.
You want to come see our masterpiece? So remember the giraffe episode with me? Yeah. Yeah. Come take a look at this. So and they're all inside his car.
Oh my god, he's gonna be so mad.
They're taped to the roof above his desk, so he can't reach them.
He's gonna be so mad.
I know.
Hey, at least he didn't have to deal with saran wrap.
He's gonna freak out.
I know.
Whose idea was this?
HR.
Oh,
She said that we could add a stripper
Yeah, she's like,
pole.
we could add a stripper pole. I was like, okay.
Where else do you think we should put it all over the Mercedes?
I think that's enough on the Mercedes.
Is it though?
Yeah.
Because every time that you think it's enough, there's always like 2 more spots where you could put it.
That's what she said.
we're done. We heard.
It all only took around an hour, but the stage had been set for when he returned. The only question left was, how would he react?
So, here they come. And there's his car. So that'll be his first cue. Unless he sees us in the window. He sees it. He sees the stuff on his car. Hey Tyler, you shouldn't have left your keys in the office. Oh, there we go.
But it's inside?
Good evening.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I was like, as I was pulling up, I was like, there's only 2 people that could be behind this in the entire warehouse.
See,
Photoshop
that's
it
where
out.
you're
Awesome.
Wait, what?
The truth will never come out on this one.
Yeah, I'll see it in the vlog.
Oh yeah, that's true. Forgot about that minor
Is it a
detail.
bad thing that we filmed all of it? Because technically this is evidence.
How much time did you guys spend on this?
An hour.
Yeah, because I was pulling up and I was like, oh, a bird crapped on my car.
Yeah, it's not bird crap.
Yeah, and then
That's
I had pulled up and I'm like, what is that? What'd you get?
Follow your arrow.
My arrow?
Look up.
Oh my god.
Notice how none of it's on paint though.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Oh my, there's so many. How long did you guys take to do this?
Well, you know, 5 minutes.
5? That, no way. Oh, how many of there were you?
Guess how many were printed?
How many?
200.
200? I'm gonna be like going on a date like months from now.
And they're gonna find
And
that.
she's gonna find one of these and be like, what is this? And I'm gonna be like, I can explain.
You
That's
biscuit
an
spot.
awfully hot coffee pot. That was your whole bit. That's what you were waiting for the whole entire time.
You wanna know what the funny part is?
I'm gonna leave it there.
I didn't even put that there. It's
Bye.
weird.
Like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications.
This guy.
You ruined my car.
This guy.
And Suzanne.
Thanks for watching our vlog.
What's up? My name's Tyler. Moved here from Florida. I'm a head photographer here. Shoot a lot on location. I recently just did a TikTok with Alex. She's one of the girls that works here, but it's gonna go mad viral, so y'all just check it out.